It's review time. Video up. Squad, let's get to it. Family, what's good? Rebels, what's up? It's your boy Mac the Rebel. Man, I'm back with another video, family, for you today, squad. First off, we have to welcome all the new subscribers to the channel. Welcome to our new family members. Welcome to Rebel Squad, family. Welcome to the most lit family on all of YouTube, guys. And you heard it right here. Welcome, 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 guys. We're on the road to 1K. So if you're new to the channel and you have not subscribed yet, guys, just go ahead, hit pause on the video real quick, man. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, guys. We are going to close out 1K, hopefully by the end of June, man, with a whole bunch of new family members and a whole bunch of dope people, guys. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Rebel Squad. Links to the social media are in the description below. Make sure you like this video, guys. Hit that like button real quick for your boy, man. Make sure you leave a comment after you've watched the video in its entirety, all right? So, squad, we got a shoe to review, man. You guys saw the red box. No, it's not a dunk high, but it is a shoe that for a lot of OG sneakerheads, man, has a lot of nostalgia to it. And so, family, I'm just happy that I was able to get my hands on one finally. And speaking of getting my hands on something, I'm actually currently got both my phones going trying to get my hands on an electric green 6, which I didn't think was going to be that hard to get, and I still have yet to secure a pair, so there's that. But anyway, squad, let's go ahead and talk about today's sneaker, guys. That is the Nike Griffey Max 1 and its Varsity Royal and Volt Colorway. Let's get into it. Squad, now that we're back, you guys already know the vibes, man. We are talking about Air Griffey Max 1 in its Varsity Royal and Volt Colorway, guys. This is the shoe that I believe started it all for a lot of people, man, in the early 2010s, that 2009 era, when Griffey's and the sneaker culture, it was starting to take off a little bit more than what it is today. And I really feel like this is one of the shoes, family, that had a big say-so in that movement, all right? So one thing you gotta love about this shoe, guys, is first off, it pays homage to the great Ken Griffey Jr. And for those of you who don't know who Ken Griffey Jr. is, just Google it. He's one of those baseball players, man, that will forever be remembered for his incredible plays, incredible athleticism, and his ability to knock that ball out the park, man, hitting that home run. Ken Griffey Jr. is truly the man. So we got his sneaker right here, guys, in its Varsity Royal and green colorway. I do have the fresh waters back in the closet. I was gonna break them out today, but I decided not to. But anyways, I digress. Let's go ahead and talk about the Varsity Royal, family. So one thing you gotta love about Griffey's, guys, is that I really feel like, actually, I'm pretty sure this pair is literally the same pair from 09 or 08 or whenever this shoe first retroed or came back out. It's really sturdy, guys. It's really durable. Nowadays, a lot of people say that Nike brand, Jordan brand, or whoever's under that umbrella, a lot of the shoes are not made with the same quality materials, but I gotta say, the Griffey, guys, it's nice sturdy midsole like we're always used to seeing, man. Really good nubuck that encompasses the entire upper, guys, and we also have some really good tumble leather that fills out the rest of the shoe. Of course, you have that strap going across right there, guys, with the legendary number 24 with that green Nike check, as well as Nike going around the strap, guys, all right? Now, on the tongue, you do have a black tongue that goes all the way up the shoe, guys, with hints of that neon Volt green, Volt yellow, Volt colorway, whatever you want to call it, man, going all over the shoe. Volt green Nike check right there on the back, family. Volt air unit that goes all the way up to the balls of the foot right here. Black Nike check right there, guys, inside of the tumble leather. And of course, you have that Griffey Max bottom right there, guys. Green Nike check, man. Baseball right there on the design of the air bubble, okay? Blue and black and white are on the bottom of the shoe, guys, right there on the foot panel. And not to mention, it's just a really dope shoe, guys. So for all of the new sneakerheads out there, guys, for all the new sneakerheads to the channel, for all the people who are just now getting into the sneaker game, the Griffey Max isn't going to be the shoe that's going to wow you. It's not the most popular shoe. It's not the most sought after shoe, but it is the shoe that a lot of OG sneakerheads remember back in the early 2010s era, okay? Me and one of my homies who works at one of the stores I go to all the time when I'm in DC, he actually said this was the shoe that he wore all the time when he was in high school back in 2009. I know me personally, I had this pair of Griffeys, actually. I beat them to smithereens because, well, that's what shoes are meant to be, guys. They're meant to be worn. But I gotta say, man, this shoe definitely brings brings back memories, man. I used to love wearing this shoe all the time. I think, let's see, back then, 09. So just imagine, man, this shoe on my foot, big baggy Jabot jeans. For those of you young cats out there, man, some of y'all don't even know nothing about that, but it's okay, guys. For those big baggy jeans, just leave those in the past, all right? So big baggy jeans, man, with a tall, like 5X white tall tee, a hat linked to the side because I thought I wanted to be like T.I. when I was in high school a little bit. It is what it is, man. He's still one of my favorite rappers, so it is what it is. This is the pair right here, squad, in all of its beautiful royal varsity blue and neon or Volt glory. Really, really clean shoe, man. You can't go wrong with the pair of Griffeys. The Freshwaters, I'm so glad I have them. They are incredible, family. Number 24 right there on the side, guys. Nike going all the way around. Like I said, it's just a really dope shoe, really well done. And you guys saw the box in the intro. The box is cool. I mean, it's plain, just, you know, your red and white giant box. Tag does read Air Griffey Max 1 Varsity Royal Black and Volt, family. So really good shoe, guys. If you haven't been able to get your hands on the Nike Air Griffey Max in any of the colorways, I would say, guys, just do you some research, man. Find some good deals on these. These are not extremely high in the aftermarket value right now. If you are trying to look and get them for the foot, family, I would definitely say go ahead and go for it. But anyway, squad, this is a really dope shoe, man. Glad I was finally able to get my hands on a pair. Make sure, guys, that you like this video, comment, and in the comment section, family, let me know your thoughts and opinions on the Griffey Max 1 in its varsity blue and Volt colorway. Also, guys, if there's anyone out there who has the Jackie Robinson Griffey Max 1, please DM me, man. Matt the Rebel, guys. Hit my descriptions. Let me know what you did. Just got size 12, man, in the Jackie Robinson Griffeys. I really wish I would have got my hands on those. I struck out like crazy on the sneakers app, man. So, you know, you guys help your boy out if you can. Size 12, all right? But anyway, squad, that is the video, guys. Thank you for checking out another video on the channel, man. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch, guys. I really appreciate it. So, family, with that being said, it's the Air Griffey Max 1 in its Varsity Royal colorway. It's your boy, Matt the Rebel, man. We are checking out with another one, family, and I will see you in the next one, squad, and we out. Peace.